Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get keyboard input in C. There's lots of different ways to do it. A lot of times it's kind of dependent on how your system's set up, but in this setup, I've just installed Eclipse for C development, 2022. Um, Easiest way, like I said, lots of different ways to do it. Easiest way I like to use is scanf. If you're familiar with printf, it's very similar. So to do that, we got to declare our variables at the top, create an integer to store our input. Let's also print a nice little prompt for the user. And then to get the keyboard input, it's just a scanf. Works like a printf. You need a string to specify the format. And in this case, we're getting a number, so %d, and then we give it where we want to store the data that comes in. And then let's print that out. All right, so there's our little program. Prompt the user with a printf, enter a number. We do a scan for a %d, and then we print that out. So build this, and let's run it. Now, all right. Looks like my standard out is not flushing. Easy way to fix that is just to add this at the top. Set buff. Then we don't have to worry about flushing all the time. Okay, enter a number 12. The number was 12 printed. Like I said, there's lots of different ways to do it. This is using scanf. I'll make some other videos showing some other ways of getting keyboard input.